Hi everyone, it's Bridie from Bushfire Readiness Kits here today, here with April and Schnitzel, the BRK Super Dogs, and we're really excited because over half the stock for our new pet kits have arrived in the warehouse, and we're going to show you a couple of the items that are going into your pet Bushfire Readiness Kits here today. So our amazing models, April and Schnitzel, will be modelling them for you. And here's one of the bags you'll be getting. They'll have a great pet kit logo on them as well. And the first thing we're going to have a look at is the cooling mats. Now, the cooling mats are just small mats. They're designed to be compact and small so you can travel and move with them easily. The whole point of an emergency kit is it needs to be compact and light so you can throw it in the car or your friend's van or whoever's helping you evacuate or relocate and move to another place. So you don't want to have big bulky items. The cooling mat just helps elevate your pet off the ground. You might be at a location that only has hot concrete or carpet at a friend's place and they don't want your pet on their carpet. So you want something that will just lift them off the ground and gives them something to sit on. I'm not sure if you can see, it also has these little bubbles that help lift it off the ground, providing some aeration around it. So let's see if we can get, this is the first time my dogs have seen these products, so let's see if we can get them to sit on them. Hey? Come on, here, sit, good girl. Over here, onto this one. All right, on you come. Onto your mat, onto your mat. Good girl. Good girl. All right. Okay, the next thing we're going to have a look at are these fantastic silicone bowls. So you get 2 of these in each of your kit. So you can use one for water, one for food, or both for water. And they just pop out like that. And they have a handy clip, so you can clip them onto various things and provide April, back here. That's not for later. Back here. Not yet. That's for after you have a drink. All right. So we're going to give the dogs a drink, and we're going to give them a drink. You can have that in a minute, mate. No. Okay. So we're going to give the dogs a drink, and this comes standard with the kit as well. So this is a fantastic half water bottle and half for dog food in it. So you can fill it up with water and your pet's favourite food. So it'll give you at least a couple of days of food that they're familiar with while they're in an unfamiliar place. So you want to keep them as calm and relaxed as possible because they're going to be probably quite stressed as well. And you can see your handy little bowls have a clip-on location to your food and water container. So they don't get lost, they all stay together, and they all come in great bright colours so they can be easily seen and found and identified when you're in that emergency situation. So let's give the puppy dogs a little bit of water first, see if they'd like some water. So I'm opening this yellow side, which is where I've kept the water in it, so different coloured lids for each side so you can clearly identify which one's which. Hey guys, do you want a drink of water? Come on. Here you go. Oh, is that good? Is that good? Nice one. Schnitzel. Want some water? Oh, didn't leave you any. That's all right. I think you'll like what's coming next. So on the other side is some food. So I'm going to give them some food. And I can close up the water slide and then pour out some food. You probably can't see that because April's in the way, but you can pour out your food like that. So I've just given them a little bit of food each. And that will help keep them going while you're at a friend's house and you're trying to find a pet food store or somewhere else that you can buy, some food for them. You don't have to be rushing out on that first day you've had to leave your home because you don't have any food with you. So they're a great little kit. They come as standard with one of these each in the kit. They also come in, so they come in the base kit. They also come in the add-on kit, and you can buy them separately in store as a 3-pack as well. So you can build your own kit for what you need and what you like. So I think we're going to give the dogs now what April was after all along, and that's the toys, because we want to make sure that they've got something to comfort them while they're, you know, at another location. And I think you would like the elephant, and you would like Ducky. Yeah, and they're off to go. And no, not that happy with Ducky. Hey, what's this? What's this? Ah, yeah. April likes Ducky. Yeah. All right. Stay safe this summer, and make sure you yell out if you have any questions about any of our products, and take care. Have a great Christmas. Cheers. See ya.